In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your client in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control what your client can see and do inside a specific sub-account, so they have everything they need, and nothing they don't. Start inside the correct sub-account for the client you're working with. If you manage multiple locations, double-check the name at the top to make sure you're in the right workspace. Permissions are set per sub-account, so this part matters. Head down to the bottom left and open Settings. You'll see a gear icon there. This is where all the important configuration lives for the sub-account, including user access. From the Settings menu, choose My Staff. In GoHighLevel, clients are managed as users within the sub-account. This area lists everyone who can log in and interact with that specific workspace, from your internal team to the client's team. Find the client you want to manage and select their profile. If you have a long list, use the search bar to pull up their user quickly. Opening their profile lets you fine-tune their access without affecting anyone else. Click the small pencil icon to edit their details. That takes you into the editable view where you can adjust settings tied to this user. Now move to the Roles and Permissions section. This is the control center for access. Think of it as a set of switches for each part of the platform: conversations, opportunities, calendars, funnels, emails, payments, automations, and more. You're not changing data here. You're simply deciding what this user is allowed to view or manage. Use the checkboxes to add or limit access. Check a box to grant permission, uncheck it to remove it. A helpful approach is to grant the minimum access your client needs to do their job. For example, many clients only need to view pipelines, conversations, calendars, and reporting, while things like editing automations, deleting assets, or accessing billing may be better left off. If you're unsure about a category, start with View-Only Style Access where available, and expand later. Clear expectations with your client about what each area is for can prevent confusion and accidental changes. When you're satisfied, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your updates were applied. The changes take effect immediately, so the next time your client signs in, their access will reflect exactly what you set. If anything needs adjusting later, just return to Settings, open My Staff, select the client, and revisit Roles and Permissions to refine. That's it. Simple, secure, and fully under your control. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you configure your client's access.